Late one evening, Sarah returned home after a long day at work. Her apartment felt unusually cold. As she stepped inside, the familiar creaks of the old wooden floor echoed through the dark hallway. She flipped the light switch, but the lights flickered once and then went out, plunging the room into darkness. A low, strange whisper reached her ears, but it was so faint she couldn't tell where it was coming from. At first, she thought it was her imagination. She ignored it and made her way to the living room. Suddenly, a cold breeze brushed against her neck, as though someone had passed behind her. She froze in place, heart pounding. "Is someone there?" she called, but her voice trembled. There was no reply, just the growing sound of whispers, closer now. Sarah's hand shook as she grabbed her phone to turn on the flashlight. In the beam of light, she saw shadows dancing on the walls, moving in a way shadows shouldn't. Then she saw it, a figure standing at the far end of the hallway. Its form was human-like, but there were no features on its face, just an empty, dark void where eyes and a mouth should be. Sarah's breath caught in her throat. The figure raised its hand, slowly reaching out toward her. As the whispers became deafening, in a panic, she turned and ran, but no matter how fast she moved, the shadows followed. The whispers grew louder, their words clearer now. "You can't leave." Sarah reached the front door, yanked it open, and rushed into the hallway of her apartment building. She gasped for air, heart racing. When she turned to look behind her, the door slammed shut on its own, and the whispers stopped, but the chill remained, and she knew the shadows would be waiting when she returned.
Now it's quiz time. What happened when Sarah flipped the light switch? A. The lights turned on. B. The lights flickered and went out. C. The lights exploded. D. Nothing happened. Answer: B. The lights flickered and went out. 2. What did Sarah hear in the apartment? A. Footsteps. B. A loud crash. C. Whispers. D. Laughter. Answer: C. Whispers. 3. What did Sarah see at the end of the hallway? A. A door. B. A shadow. C. A faceless figure. D. A mirror. Answer: C. A faceless figure. What happened when Sarah tried to run? A. She fell. B. The shadows followed her. C. She disappeared. D. She escaped easily. Answer: B. The shadows followed her. What did the front door do at the end? A. It stayed open. B. It slammed shut. C. It vanished. D. It creaked slowly. Answer: B. It slammed shut.
Now it's vocabulary time. Plunging, meaning, suddenly falling or moving downward or into something. Whisper, meaning, a quiet, soft way of speaking, usually hard to hear. Tremble, meaning, to shake slightly, often because of fear or nervousness. Featureless, meaning, lacking distinct or noticeable features, plain or without details. Gasp, meaning, to take a sudden, short breath because of surprise, shock, or pain.